Hello guys, welcome to another new anime release update video. In this video I will discuss about the release date and time of How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom Episode 6. How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom Episode 6 will be releasing on the 7th of August, which is Saturday in the next week. Now I'm going to play the subtitle version release time of How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom Episode 6 in over 50 countries time zone. If your country went missing from this list, then please let me know in comment section. I will try to reply your country's time zone. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.